There are multiple different types of dental bridges. First of all, there's the dental bridge where you're missing one tooth and we put crowns on the teeth on either side and a crown to replace the missing teeth, and it's all as one piece. Then an implant-supported bridge is an amazing solution. It's so much more advantageous than a tooth-supported bridge, because a tooth-supported bridge, even though it can last a very long time, can put the teeth at risk. The way we do it is we place the implants and we can place the bridge the same day. Also, dental bridges can be used if you're missing all your teeth. The whole dental bridge will replace all your missing teeth, and just like you have your own teeth back again. So give us a call and we'll talk all about it with you. Have a great day.